누군가의 연락을 기다리고 있는 한 남성이 있습니다. 영국은 시장 선거가 한창입니다. 재선을 노리는 제프리와 런던은 영국인들의 도시라며 민족주의를 내세운 데니스 김벌이 유력한 후보 중 하나입니다.
Hi, vote for Mayor Jaffrey? Oh, can I give you a poster for the window?
Oh, the bank doesn't let us be political. Besides, he's a shoo-in, isn't he?
Can't take anything for granted. Imagine if everyone stayed home and we ended up with Dennis Kimball.
He's an idiot. He'll never get in.
Touch wood. But elections aren't idiot-proof, you know?
제프리의 선거를 돕는 남성이 앞에 방금 전 청년이 앉아 있습니다.
Hope Mayor Jaffrey can count on your vote.
그런데 청년은 갑자기 총을 꺼내들고 남성과 사람들을 향해 묻지마 총격을 가합니다. 남성은 재빨리 현장을 벗어나고 차량에 탑승한 뒤 사라집니다. 오늘따라 호가 매우 신나 보입니다. 혹시 여친이라도 생긴 걸까요?
What the fuck?
Do you not see? It was like to run you over.
What are you talking about? Headphones!
셜리는 승합 차량이 호를 죽일 듯 달려들었다며 이것은 MI5 요원을 노린 암살이 분명하다고 말합니다. 하지만
I will forward you the link. Replace my headphones and we'll leave it at that.
호는 사고보다 부서진 헤드폰이 더 중요했죠.
Witnesses describe the shooter as using a shotgun or rifle that he opened fire randomly and without emotion. The police and other emergency services remain at the scene, and we will of course continue to update this story as
Yeah, I know about Abbotsfield.
What the fuck's it got to do with you? Or anyone else in Slough House?
루이자는 에버츠필드에서 벌어진 묻지마 총격 뉴스를 보며 우리가 본부를 도울 일 없는지 램에게 물어봅니다.
Why do you even give a shit anyway? It's your last day, isn't it? Why don't you make a paper aeroplane or a rubber band ball? Make yourself useful.
이때 캐서린과 함께 램을 찾아온 셜리.
Someone nearly ran Ho over.
Good for them. Fuck off.
It was deliberate. They drove straight at him.
셜리는 해당 거리의 CCTV가 딱 맞춰 꺼져 있던 것, 그리고 너무나 능숙하게 현장을 빠져나간 것에 의문을 품으며 상대는 프로가 분명하다고 말합니다.
Why isn't Ho here complaining about this himself?
He didn't notice.
Yeah, okay, I can see that happening. Well, leaving the scene of an accident doesn't make whoever it was an assassin. I take it no one leaned out of the window shouting, I'll get you next time.
Are you going to take this seriously?
Well, I'm glad you asked me that. No, are you going to take this seriously? Fuck off.
에마는 총격전이 벌어진 현장을 둘러봅니다.
Starting with the old boy at the election stall. Minutes later, turns the gun on himself.
No one stood a chance with that weapon.
머리가 절반은 날아갈 정도로 총상이 커 경찰은 범인이 스스로 방아쇠를 당겼다고 판단합니다. 그런데 범인의 집에서 생각지도 못한 것들이 나오기 시작합니다.
Fan of Dennis Kimball. Did he ever express extreme views on race or immigration?
It's not come up so far. According to the locals, he didn't speak to anyone.
저격범이 김벌 지지자란 소식은 곧장 본부로 전해집니다. 그러자 클로드 국장은 이 사실을 후보들에게 알려야 한다며 움직입니다.
When Kimball learns about his link to the government through the press, he's going to go full-on conspiracy mode, say it's a false flag operation, so he needs to hear it from me. Straight, no more games. I think we've all had quite enough of his rabble-rousing.
김벌과 제프리 시장은 오늘 밤에 있을 토론의 준비를 하고 있었습니다.
Claude, great to see you again.
Nice to see you, Zaffa.
And they say there's no such thing as the establishment. I take it you two Played golf together.
No, actually, we Morris danced together.
Oh, sweet.
이때 갑자기 등장한 김벌의 아내 도디.
Dame Whelan. Hello.
I'm sorry, this is an intelligence briefing.
도디는 정치인들의 뒷이야기를 주로 다루는 B급 주간지 기자입니다. 몇 번 클로드에 관한 글을 써 클로드가 매우 싫어하는 사람이죠.
You didn't like what I wrote about you.
I don't read your column. But I'm told that you wanted me to tender my resignation on account of my drive to recruit more LGBTQ plus agents into the service. What did you say I was looking for? James Bondage. You should leave now.
보안 문제라며 도디를 면전에서 쫓아내고
Tut, tut, tut. Shouldn't have done that.
저격범이 김벌의 지지자인 걸 말해줍니다.
He had your books.
A lot of people buy my books. I'm a bestseller, including left-wing journalists who delight in taking my quotes out of context.
He also had a photograph of the two of you together on his fridge. And his first target was leafleting for the mayor.
This is just a bloody stitch-up.
할 일이 없는 리버는 오늘 퇴사하기로 한 루이자의 송별회를 위해 여러 가지 것들을 사옵니다.
Someone tried to take out Ho this morning. Drove straight at him.
What? Really? Who? How?
No, they didn't. She was looking for an excuse to sexually harass me.
Can you just take some of this?
리버는 마커스가 죽은 뒤 셜리가 극도로 예민하게 구는 것에 짜증이 난 상태입니다.
You think I'm making it up?
No, I believe he was nearly hit by a car, as are many people who cross roads.
Why has everyone been such a prick about it?
리버는 간단하게 셜리의 의문을 풀어줍니다.
Two things, right? Angry London drivers, and Roddy does have a very irritating walk.
Fuck you.
셜리는 다시 램을 찾아갑니다.
Fuck off, I'm busy.
I want Marcus's gun.
유언을 노린 범죄가 확실하다며 다시 공격받을 그 순간을 위해 총을 달라는 셜리.
When that mad French bastard stormed this place, we were fighting him off with a fucking kettle. What if we get attacked again?
The kettle got replaced, didn't it?
Open or closed?
Fuck off.
현장을 빠져나가던 에마에게 저격범의 인터넷 채팅 내용이 도착합니다.
Wait. Hey. Did anyone witness him actually shooting himself?
Well, everyone was hiding or running by then.
So no.
He was the only nutter with a gun. Case closed.
I decide when the case is closed.
에마는 저격범의 총알 미리를 확인 후 삼자의 개입이 있었을 거라며 주변을 돌아봅니다. 그리고
Might not be terrorism, but it's something more than mass murder. He didn't kill himself. He was executed.
송별회가 진행됩니다. 그런데 분위기가 참 암울합니다.
This is so depressing.
Can only pick up now he's gone. Oh, everyone, the party's starting.
이때 셜리는 새로운 증거를 가져옵니다.
News agents has a camera pointing at the door, which covers the pavement a bit of the road here. Look at his feet. Combat boots.
번호판도 모르면서 단지 똑같은 색깔의 차량에 전투화를 신은 남성이 타는 것으로 호를 노린 건 프로라며 끊임없이 설득하는 셜리.
Right. So
it's a hit squad?
because there's some people in the back of a van that may have driven at Roddy that may be wearing combat boots.
셜리는 모두가 자신을 신경과민으로 바라보는 눈빛을 느끼고 설득을 포기합니다. 하지만 캐서린은 달랐죠.
Listen, Shirley might be onto something. She has some boots on camera.
요원을 향한 수상한 정황이 보이면 보고하는 게 절차라는 캐서린.
You're supposed to be cutting those out. They're killing you.
That's why I smoke 'em.
에마는 본부로 돌아와 다이애나에게 조사한 모든 것을 보고합니다.
So you're saying he was primed for murder and then handed a weapon?
Yes, and that person executed him.
Someone clever enough to murder this man and disappear would not be so sloppy as to leave a cartridge.
I think they left it deliberately. It felt placed. They're taunting us.
에마는 저격범인 로브와 오랫동안 정치 얘기를 한 상대에 대해 보고합니다.
The name from the message boards is Sniper 762, and he was killed by a sniper with a 762 cartridge.
셜리는 캐서린과 홀을 비행합니다.
What are you doing here? I thought you could use some backup. What's he doing? Probably collecting Pokemon or some other kind of dumb shit.
그런데 믿을 수 없는 현장을 목격합니다.
Who's got a date? With her?
이 믿을 수 없는 사실은 모든 팀원들에게 전달되고 호는 여성과 클럽에서 시간을 보낸 뒤 택시를 타고 호의 집에 도착합니다.
So, it's the night when to become one.
그런데 여성은 내일 일찍 일어나야 한다는 말도 안 되는 핑계를 대며 호를 돌려보내고 키스 시도를 철통같이 막아냅니다. 이상합니다.
We don't know the motives of the gunman, but if his intention was to derail the democratic process, well, he failed. This election will not be derailed by terror. The city will not cower. Tears will flow, but...
집에 들어온 호. 그런데 계속 발소리가 들려 조심히 움직입니다. 자세를 잡고 천천히 다가가는 호.
I thought you were a burglar. I could have killed you. No, you couldn't.
램은 캐서린의 문자를 받고 달려왔습니다.
You've been smoking in my room. I did you a favour. You don't want to smell what he's covering up. Give me that much champagne. No, that's sparkling water. I was saving this. For losing your virginity. It'd be vintage by then.
설리의 수많은 설득에도 움직이지 않던 램.
Anyone try and kill you or anything tonight? No. Pity. Be nice to get this sorted one way or another.
그런데 호를 노리는 사람이 있다고 믿게 된 이유는 놀라웠습니다.
You nearly getting run over, broken CCTV, potential spotter, vehicle making a quick exit. It's dodgy, but none of it raises my spidey senses as much as hearing that a real-life woman is happy to spend time with you.
램은 곧 킬러가 호를 죽이러 오겠지만
Give her a sword and a helmet. She'd look like a brave little hobbit.
동료들이 지키고 있으니 걱정하지 말라고 말합니다. 그리고 정말로 잠시 뒤 킬러가 나타납니다. 킬러는 침실로 들어갑니다. 그런데
Evening, sunshine. I am death.
셜리가 소리를 듣고 달려옵니다.
Yeah, you mess with the best, then you're gonna get messed.
그때 차량이 도착합니다. 사격을 멈추고 사라지지만
Sure wanted one of us dead.
Yeah, you dumb prick. You!
램은 쫓아가지 않습니다.
We're gonna catch up with Shirley. Do I look like I'm up for a foot chase? The assassin's got a face full of bleach and a couple of broken bones. Shirley will bring him down and bring him in.
하지만 셜리는 램의 기대대로 킬러를 잡는 것에 실패합니다. 킬러는 약속한 장소에서 차량에 탑승합니다.
سامحني أنا فشلت. أنا قلت لك كل اللي نبوه هنا لما 5 تركز عليه. وأنت درت اللي عليك.
잠깐. 그들의 목표는 암살 성공이 아니었습니다.
نبي المستشفى. استريح. ضلك مالك ومالك.
램은 본부가 홀을 찾을 걸 예상하고 그들이 절대로 가지 않을 곳에 숨습니다.
Are we here? Well, you can't afford it. And I would never come here. So the park won't find us.
한눈에 봐도 금액이 상당해 보이는 레스토랑.
Sorry, sir. Can't smoke in here.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're worried about my health? The fucking menu would kill me. Look, 15 quid for porridge.
램은 타라와 나눈 모든 대화를 적으라며 펜을 줍니다.
Who approached her, what you told her about yourself, what sort of things she's asked about. Every detail is important.
그리고 코에게 연락해 리버를 데리고 타라의 집에 가보라고 합니다.
What the fuck is that?
Push knife.
Why have you put it down?
The rest of the hit squad might be here.
Why? Why would they be here if they know that Roddy has the address?
Maybe they're having a time to clear out. Maybe they're planning to kill anyone who shows up.
맞는 말입니다. 갑자기 무서워지는 리버.
Have you got another one of them then?
No.
Well, what am I going to do? I'm unarmed.
Decoy?
주인이 나옵니다. 그런데 이곳에 타라는 살지도 않고 집주인은 그녀가 누군지도 몰랐죠.
Push knife.
Push knife.
늦은 밤 피터 셔드가 다이애나를 찾아옵니다. 그는 공직에서 물러난 뒤 보수당의 숨은 실세로 활약하고 있죠.
It went missing from a consignment on display at the Security Equipment Arms Fair in Docklands last month.
And you know this because?
In my post-parliamentary life, I find myself working in public relations.
자신을 후원하는 군수업체 무기가 사라졌는데 그것이 에버츠 필드에서 사용된 것 같다는 놀라운 말을 합니다.
But I can give you a list of the roving ordnance, provided you can guarantee my clients are protected from any accusations of negligence should one or more of their weapons turn out to be involved in this or any other unfortunate event.
피터가 이 군수업체를 놓지 않는다는 것은 정말 많은 도움을 받고 있다는 거겠죠.
There's never a good moment to go, but when you finally make the leap, I can help you find an extremely soft landing. So do bear in mind those issues I raised.
I can find my own landing.
테러범들은 한적한 곳에 차를 세웁니다.
No in.
킬러의 상태를 살펴보는데 상당히 위험해 보이죠.
لو مشيت للمستشفى حتجيب العين. MI5 عارفين إصاباتك وحيدوروا عليك.
빨리 끝내주겠다며 동료의 목을 조르는 남성. 남성들은 잠시 뒤 어려 보이는 청년들을 만납니다.
Ready to do this?
Yeah, why are you asking?
Because you will probably be arrested. You might go to jail.
Yeah, well, it's worth it.
청년들에게 어떤 임무를 주는 남성.
Put this in the tanker. Then hide out. And watch the news tomorrow. The city will be in chaos.
그들의 목적이 무엇인지는 모르지만 이렇게 정치적인 신념이 같은 자들을 이용해 범죄에 악용하는 것으로 보입니다. 남성은 철조망을 자르고 정유시설에 잔입합니다. 램은 자신의 위치를 캐서린과 셜리에게 알려준 것이 불만입니다.
What did you tell Standish where I was?
Because she insisted, and she's part of Slough House.
Yeah, but so is the shitter, but I don't want it following me around.
리버는 주소에 타라가 없는 걸 말해주고 다음은 무엇을 할지 물어봅니다.
Well, you could sit in the car or fuck off back to bed.
다들 이곳에 몰려오려 하자 진절머리가 나는 램.
I've had it with you people turning up like you're some kind of cavalry rather than a flood of shit cresting a hill. What the fuck is that? Excuse me. Bring me some chips. Just chips.
셜리에게 킬러의 인상착의를 물어봅니다. 군인 출신으로 보이는지 혹시 다른 국적으로 보이진 않았는지.
I was gonna say, how come she gets to speak and I have to write everything down?
Because she sticks to the salient points, whereas when you talk, I want to stick a pencil in my eye and headbutt the table.
He's a professional. He fights like an absolute bastard. Apology?
You're the one who should be apologising. He got through your cordon.
Here,
본부에서는 호의 집 앞에서 벌어진 총격에 대한 보고가 들어옵니다.
Shots were fired from a high-powered rifle at an East London address earlier tonight. Now, it's not the address we have on the system for Roddy Ho, but...
Roddy Ho?
Yes, it was...
And why haven't you brought him in?
We're in the process of locating him.
Meaning you can't find him?
생각을 어느 정도 정리한 램은 법인 카드를 사용하며 위치를 노출합니다.
20 minutes after this payment goes through, some muscly men in suits and a hot blonde are going to come looking for us. Do them a favour. Tell them we've gone back to the office.
사무실로 돌아가는 길. 이때 코는 지금 벌어지는 상황이 냉전 시대 때 적국에 사용된 불안정화 전략이라고 말합니다.
Put it together with Abbotsfield, and it's what we used to do to countries that opposed our interests. 1. Compromise an enemy agent. 2. Attack the village.
코의 말이 맞다면 다음에 언론을 마비시키거나 정치인을 공격하는 일이 벌어질 차례입니다. 클로드 국장은 아침 운동 도중 한 남성을 만납니다.
Morning, Claude.
Do we know each other?
남성의 입에선 오래전 감춰진 클로드의 비밀이 나옵니다.
Spoilt for green space in this city, aren't we? Not like some European capitals.
No, I suppose.
Like Copenhagen. Well, you were there at a security conference in March. Must have worked up quite the appetite, seeing as you ordered room service for two.
남성은 클로드가 콜걸을 부른 사실을 알고 있었습니다. 질색하며 도망치는 클로드.
I jumped him, asked him for a comment.
How did he react?
Terrified.
네, 이것은 자신을 무시한 것에 대한 도비의 복수입니다. 다이애나는 요원들을 잔뜩 끌고 와 슬라우 하우스를 무력화시킵니다. 모든 요원을 제압하고 램에게 다가갑니다.
Yeah, easy. I'm just showing you where it is. Not in there. Oh, definitely not in there. Oh, there it is.
상황이 정리된 뒤 다이애나가 들어오자 램은 또 말장난을 칩니다.
If there's a hit on one of your team, you report it upwards, in this case to me.
Well, ordinarily I would have done, but there were special circumstances.
Which were?
I couldn't be asked.
평소라면 무시하고 넘기겠지만 이번엔 상황이 달랐습니다.
The bullets we found at Ho's flat came from the same gun used to execute the Abbotsfield shooter.
Fuck.
두 사건에 연관이 있을 거라고는 생각 못했던 램. 다이애나는 호가 그 사건과 어떤 연관이 있는지 조사하겠다며 호를 본부로 데려가고 가만두면 슬라우 하우스가 이를 또 엉망으로 만들 것이 뻔하다며
I will not allow you to run around muddying the waters just to save your man's skin.
아무것도 하지 못하게 조직을 봉쇄 조치합니다. 한편 런던 시내에서는 이상한 일이 벌어지기 시작합니다. 멀쩡한 차량이 갑자기 폭발합니다.
From our eye in the sky, we are seeing unprecedented traffic chaos across the capital.
런던 곳곳에서 불타는 차량이 늘어납니다.
Why am I getting my updates on burning cars from the news?
Apologies, Mum. We've been waiting until we know for sure what happened.
And do you?
Well, we've ruled out terror. They weren't car bombs.
화재는 똑같은 정유회사의 기름을 넣은 차들에게 문제가 발생하는 걸 파악합니다.
The fence at the depot was cut, so we're assuming that's where the tampering happened, likely by climate protesters.
그리고 SNS에 자신의 짓이라고 범인이 포스팅까지 하자 그를 수비하는데 놀랍게도 그는
Earthan, you changed your hair again.
런던 시장 제프리의 아들이었죠.
We're arresting him for breaking into a depot and sabotaging the fuel supply.
That is absolutely absurd. What proof do you have?
He just showed us his confession.
끌려가는 이르판.
No, you embarrass me. No. Okay, what are you doing for my generation? Okay, there is no time. The planet is dying from plastics. The last thing we need is another plastic politician.
테러범들은 결과에 만족합니다.
واللي جاي حفتشهم أكتر.
그리고 다음 테러를 위해 발빠르게 움직입니다.
دعم قداش تقتل واحد كلهم حتكون مرسي
노숙자를 찾아갑니다. 그리고 돈을 주며 한 가지 부탁을 합니다.
Need you to drop something off first.
에마는 차량 화재 때문에 전화기에 불이 납니다.
Once the fire is out, get forensics in. They should be able to tell us what the chemical was and where it came from.
What's the plan?
Doesn't help that I'm stuck over here.
The usual.
당장 현장으로 가봐야 맞지만 다이애나의 명령 때문에 이곳에 묶여있죠. 그때 모두의 전화기를 압수했는데 콘은 어떻게 된 일인지 음악을 듣고 있습니다.
Well, it's just that listening to music...
Podcast.
Listening to music or podcasts has the effect of calming Mr. Kodan.
What happens if he doesn't listen to something?
I'm not sure. We've never prevented him before.
Okay, listen to the damn music, whatever.
It's a podcast.
솔직히 대화를 해보지 않아도 코는 관상만 봐도 이상합니다. 그런데 하는 말까지 이상한 코.
Number 3
Ko, what is it that you're saying?
on the list. Number 3 is disrupt the transport.
I mean, why try and disrupt London traffic when it is already permanently fucked?
코는 이것이 불안정화 전략의 3단계 교통망 교란이라고 말합니다. 그때
Sorry about that.
About what?
Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Oh, fuck me, that's bad.
I really think you should see a doctor.
Oh, I think you gave me lung cancer.
Was that a fart?
I know what you're doing, lad.
I'm expelling excess gas. It's the most natural thing in the world.
It is completely unnatural. It's like you're a pauper's grave in your arsehole.
Oh, fuck me, that's bad.
Oh, that's not a good blend of smells. Flowers and shit.
클로드는 오전에 만났던 남성에게 전화를 받습니다.
Do you have an official comment on the story we're going to run for Dodie Gimble's column?
You shouldn't have this phone number. How dare you? There will be repercussions, I promise you that.
MI5 국장을 우습게 본다며 반격을 하기 위해 누군가를 만납니다. 그런데
What the fuck was that?
리전드 파크 동물원에서 폭탄이 터지고 무려 펭귄 22마리가 즉사합니다.
Sorry, he deliberately targeted the penguins.
Yep, killed 22 of them. Thankfully, no human casualties.
에마는 부하에게 느린 말들을 맡기고 현장으로 향합니다.
Christ. The bomb that went off killed a load of penguins.
콘은 이것이 네 번째 단계 언론 장악이라고 말합니다.
Sorry, how the fuck do you seize the media with penguins?
So that'll be on the news for days. People fucking love penguins. I mean, look how teary-eyed you lot just got. Push Abbotsfield right off the headlines.
So you believe Ko?
램은 3번까지는 무시했지만 네 번째 패턴부터는 의심이 간다며 코의 말에 동의합니다.
Okay. So what comes next?
5.
Yes, I can count. What is number 5?
Assassinate a populist leader.
이때 갑자기 꼰대 무드로 냉전 시절 이야기를 해주는 램.
Berlin was the ultimate lockdown.
그 시절 많은 요원들과 나치에게 붙잡혔던 경험이 있었죠.
Except I had some charm and charisma. Bit of raw sex appeal. Fuck off. Stasi were the real deal.
그 시절이 떠오르니 담배가 땡깁니다.
To be honest with you, I think I'd rather be crucified than have to go through what he went through.
Where did you get that?
No, I found it.
건강 진단이 안 좋았다며 담배를 뺏는 캐서린.
They could turn anything into a weapon. Eastern Bloc budgets didn't stretch to blowtorches, so they made their own. They got an aerosol can and a lighter.
나치군은 잔인했습니다.
Even when they beat her in the stomach with a fire extinguisher, even when she screamed. Ich bin schwanger.
What's that mean?
I'm pregnant.
임산부도 신경 쓰지 않았던 나치.
Fucking hell. What they do to him then?
Oh, he was free to go. As we are now.
What?
fuck are you doing?
네, 램의 이야기는 작전 지시였습니다.
Fuck me! You lot were really paying attention for once. Hey.
요원들을 결박합니다.
You'll be thrown out for this.
We've already been thrown out. Come on, fuckwits!
한편
Ain't no prison goat that can hold me. The only prison I fear is the prison of the mind. And I bossed out of that years ago. I am mythical, historical, and futuristical.
호는 물 만난 제비처럼 감옥에서 뛰어다닙니다.
I am the law.
How long has he been doing this? Not 20 minutes? Straight?
그때 다이애나가 찾아옵니다.
Welcome, Clarice.
No, Roddy.
호를 신문합니다.
Why was she interested in you?
Finest mind and finest body in MI5.
Oh, she knew you were in MI5.
You're allowed to tell your spouse. And she's more than a spouse, she's a soulmate.
네, 호는 다라에게 허세를 보이기 위해 모든 기밀을 폭로한 것으로 보이죠.
Sorry, just to be clear, you showed her how to enter the MI5 database.
Relax, yeah? She couldn't replicate it. I've got the fastest fingers in the West.
And was she ever left alone?
No. Never. Apart from when I went to get the door for the pizzas, like 20 seconds tops.
망했습니다. 완전히 큰일 났습니다.
Find Ho's girlfriend and tell IT to check the system for a breach.
클로드는 도디에게 마지막 협박을 받습니다. 결국 MI5 정보를 열어 김벌의 약점을 찾아보는 클로드.
Play dirty? I can play dirty too.
김벌의 집으로 향합니다.
Well, 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 to what do we owe this unexpected displeasure?
May I come in?
Of course. I assume you're here to apologize.
다이애나 앞에선 매일 눈치를 보던 클로드인데 일반인 앞에선 얘기가 다르죠.
Actually, I'm not here to apologize for anything.
What about your smears against my husband and your sexism against me?
I'm like the opposite of a sexist.
You excluded me from a meeting.
That was classified.
You just don't like a strong woman.
I do actually. Although, it's not altogether how I describe you.
클로드는 마지막 기회를 줍니다.
You're going to withdraw this spurious article about my personal life that has no place in the public domain.
You're in love with a prostitute.
I struck up a conversation, a friendship, with a rather lovely waitress.
하지만 얘기가 통하지 않자
Honestly, did you think I'd come in here if I didn't have a nuclear bomb in my pocket?
김벌의 비밀을 하나씩 풀어줍니다.
Dennis Gimble. Only you weren't born Dennis Gimble, were you?
김벌을 알려진 것과 다르게 영국 사람이 아니었습니다. 아버지는 튀르키예 사람이고 어머니는 웨일스 출신이었죠.
Your father, as you may recall, was here illegally, working as a waiter. Your mother, Denise, was a masseuse. One can only imagine how they met.
참고로 말해드리면 김벌의 주요 슬로건 중 하나가 런던은 영국인들의 도시입니다.
Now, obviously, as you can imagine, none of this is a problem for me. At all. You know, I couldn't care less, really. But we both know that it's going to be a very big problem for your supporters when they find out that your father was an illegal immigrant.
심지어 보수 언론지의 기자인 도디는 결혼 전까진 잘생긴 마르크스 사상 동아리 회장과 연애를 했고 이것이 밝혀지면 그들은 보수단체에서 매장을 당할 겁니다.
Now any more crap from either of you two, and I will see to it the security services destroys you and your god-awful livelihoods in public. Do I make myself clear? Do I?
밖으로 나온 램은 에마에게 타라가 숨어있는 곳을 알겠다며 제보를 주는데 그곳은 놀랍게도 호의 집이었습니다. 도망치는 타라, 정말로 호의 집에 숨어 있었죠. 하지만 램의 손바닥 안입니다.
Pardon me, but I do like to open a door for a lady.
램은 타라를 넘기고 느릿말들이 사고를 칠 때가 됐다며 찾으러 갑니다.
At least my lot fuck up on an epic scale. They're not just run-of-the-mill fuck-ups like yours.
이때 리버는 다음 단계가 정치인 살해이기 때문에 김벌과 제프리의 연설 장소에서 팀을 나눠 조사를 합니다. 그런데 김벌 쪽 사람들은 킬러인지 일반인인지 구분이 안 갑니다. 그때 셜리는 CCTV로 보았던 전투화를 발견하고 날아갑니다. 그런데 남성호 화장실 조명을 수리하러 온 사람이었죠.
Why can't maintenance fix it? They said they didn't have the lights. Look, they have already paid me, so it doesn't bother me if you won't let me in. But if the lights go, ladies will be going in the dark.
상황은 급박하게 돌아갑니다.
He's just arrived. I'll keep eyes on him here.
코는 연설장에 김벌이 도착한 걸 확인합니다.
The mayor's son is a terrorist who blew up cars and killed a woman. But this rot is national.
셜리는 화장실을 돌아다니며 확인해 보지만 전등이 나간 곳은 없었습니다.
Is the light working okay in there? Yeah, why?
제프리가 도착합니다. 그때 캐서린은 설비실에 사람이 있는 걸 문자로 알리고 잠시 뒤 설리가 도착하지만
Why do you hate motorists, you wanker?
캐서린의 행동에 암살은 실패로 끝나고 싸움 1도 못하는 셜리는 또 킬러를 놓칩니다. 김벌은 무대에서 할 연설을 연습합니다.
Woke elite need to wake up and realize London is British.
그때 제프리의 비서가 찾아옵니다. 그리고 오늘 연설에서 제프리의 아들에 대한 언급을 지양해달라고 부탁합니다.
Earthan killed a little old lady. That's a gift.
Listen, mate, let's leave families out. It's all right.
Oh, come on, pal. The mayor's murderous son is just too good a target to pass up.
하지만 물 만난 김벌은 잔뜩 약을 올리며 거절합니다.
I'm trying to get through to you.
Sounds to me like you're trying to threaten me. Your lot always referred to type.
My lot?
Yeah. You can't wait to give in to your animal passion.
고는 비서의 험악한 얼굴을 보고 그를 킬러라고 생각합니다. 그래서 리버에게 이것을 알리는데
Who the fuck are you?
Am I 5 decades?
리버를 돕기 위해 내려오는 코.
Fucking calm down, alright? Yeah, fuck off, Bowman!
김벌은 리버에게 도와줘서 고맙다며 인사를 합니다. 그런데
I'm MI5 and there's been a threat to your safety.
Yeah, probably from you doing the deep state's dirty work.
I'll do fuck off.
당황한 리버.
What did you just do? I just came down the ladder. What did you just do?
상태를 살펴보는데 네, 죽었습니다.
Yeah, he really is dead, isn't he?
녹음기가 보입니다.
I think this is recording.
들어보는 코.
Yeah, he really is dead, isn't he?
I think this is recording.
램은 말했습니다. 우리 애들은 사고치는 스케일이 다르다. 공항에 도착한 테러범.
وين ماشي؟ ما زال ما تمناش.
انت هو ما قدرش يصفي جيفري تم الموضوع.
제프리 암살에 실패했으니 모두 끝났다며 도망가자는 동료. 그때
بجديات بجد الثانية باش خلص منها ولا شنو الصب؟
نزل سلاحك.
دربك حتى انت.
كمبل مات.
كيف مات؟
기적적으로 김벌이 죽었다는 뉴스가 나오고 그들은 누가 죽던 상관없었다는 듯 다음 작전을 실행하기로 합니다.
يلا تم. خلينا نعمل.
리버는 옷을 갈아입고 램에게 모든 걸 보고하려 합니다. 그런데 체일이나 먹으며 태평해 보이는 코.
Can you hurry up? I need the bag for the stones.
Just spit them in the street.
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. You just fucking killed a man.
Bag.
이번 사고로 인해 리버는 본부 복귀는 고사하고 MI5에서 잘릴 것이 분명합니다. 결국 페인트통에 맞는 순간을 본 사람이 둘 말고는 없으니 램에게 거짓말을 하기로 입을 맞추고 램을 만나 거짓을 보고하지만
Well, we found him dead from a falling paint pot.
You're telling me that an assassin killed him with a pot of paint?
I guess they just wanted to make it look like an accident. It's quite clever, actually.
They blew up a fucking Penguin enclosure. You didn't bother making that look like an accident.
귀신은 속여도 램을 속이는 건 불가능했죠.
Yeah, but I mean, we don't know that that was them.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't know. That could have been anyone.
What do you mean it could have been anyone? Name me one person who's got a grudge against penguins.
Batman?
Oh, fuck off.
Look, they got him, okay?
리버는 테러범들이 김블과 제프리를 동시에 노린 양동 작전이라고 말합니다.
Obviously, they wanted to hit both of them. Look, I genuinely am. I'm sorry that we came up short, okay? But
in all the time I've known you, you have never once taken responsibility for your litany of fuck-ups. Why are you starting now?
수상함을 눈치챈 램.
Why is his hood down? He's got some colour in his cheeks. He looks positively post-coital now. What really happened?
리버는 결국 모든 것을 사실대로 말하고 김벌의 녹음기까지 들려줍니다.
yeah, he really is dead, isn't he?
I think this is recording.
You're not going to tell the park, are you?
And have them shut down Slough House? No, I'm not going to tell the fucking park. Oh, stay the fuck away from me, the pair of you. Hey, do me a favour. The next time you cross the road, do it with your fucking eyes closed.
다이애나는 타라의 모든 걸 조사합니다. 그리고 그녀가 2011년 아랍의 봄 때 가다피 정권이 무너지며 리비아를 떠나 영국으로 왔지만 난민을 받아주지 않자 프랑스로 망명한 뒤 런던으로 넘어온 걸 알게 됩니다.
Any update on Gimbal?
Yes, he was in an alley behind the venue and a pot of paint rolled off some scaffolding and hit him on the head.
Really? Good. Not good. Obviously not good.
타라를 신문합니다.
Just Roddy's girlfriend, okay?
Tara, my issue, and the issue a lot of people in this building have, is that when you talk about dating Roddy, it doesn't really wash. Because we've met him.
그녀는 발뺌하지만 누가 봐도 로디에게 비인계를 쓴 게 뻔히 보입니다. 결국 모든 걸 실토하는 타라.
But if four masked men turned up at your flat and threatened to skin you alive if you don't seduce Roddy home, then maybe suddenly he would become your type.
Why do they want you to seduce Roddy?
They didn't say. They just told me to get close to him.
Did they ask you to do anything with his computer?
I had to make him show me he can get into the database, and when he was out of the room, I typed in a code.
Can you remember it?
코드를 적어줍니다. 그때
Yep. Let him in. Lamb's here.
Here? Why?
Says he knows what's coming next.
What is he psychic now?
램을 만납니다.
Are you aware that this is an absolutely no-smoking facility?
Kill and plunder and blackmail, but our bodies must remain a temple.
램에게 앙금이 아직도 남아있는 클로드. 램은 지금 벌어지는 모든 테러가 우리가 리비아에 사용했던 불안정화 전략이라고 말합니다.
Traffic disruption, the bomb at the zoo. Gimbal. Attack the village, disrupt the transport, seize the media, whack a populist leader, an old MI5 destabilisation strategy that is now being used on us.
And who would mount such an operation?
Well, I think that's what we're trying to establish downstairs.
But the Libyans are the most likely perpetrators. I mean, given the fact that we fucked them right up when we helped take out Gaddafi.
영국은 2011년 리비아 반군을 도와 카다피 정권에 대한 공습을 강행했습니다. 결국 카다피 정권을 무너뜨리는데 성공했지만 리비아의 재건에는 발을 빼 수많은 군벌과 테러 집단이 활개치는 무정부 상태가 지속되어 버렸죠. 리비아의 입장에선 영국이 자신들의 정치적인 목적인 독재자만 제거하고 나라를 쑥대밭으로 만든 뒤 도망쳤다고 느낄 겁니다.
Oh, and since I am in a generous mood, the next on the list is blind your enemy.
때마침 테러범들의 차량으로 보이는 승합차가 공항 주차장에서 발견됩니다. 이것은 누가 봐도 관제 시스템을 마비시켜 비행기를 추락시키려는 것으로 해석됩니다.
Air traffic control will be vulnerable.
하지만 옆에서 계속 헛소리를 하는 클로드.
If you think for a minute you're getting access to him or Tara, you're very much mistaken. That's not going to happen if that's what you really came here for.
다이애나의 얼굴이 오늘따라 많이 늙어 보입니다.
You should bring forward your resignation before you die of shame working for that.
Please don't. I don't think I can cope with your pity.
클로드는 램을 계속 욕합니다.
So that was the great Jackson Lamb, was it? Bloody hell. Man's obviously lost the plot.
이때 램에게 받은 것들을 정리해 에마에게 전달하고 에마는 이것을 읽어줍니다.
Compromise an agent. Attack the village. Disrupt the transport. Seize the media. Assassinate a populist leader.
Oh, thanks. Way to undermine me, Diana.
Lamb has more field experience than anyone in this building.
하지만
How do you know?
Oh, Christ.
They're going to think I told you. We can protect you. No, you can't! If I meet them again, they're gonna kill me, okay? If you tell us everything, we can protect you.
타라는 제대로 떡밥을 물어버립니다.
What are they going to do for blind your enemy? I don't know. Although there was a Libyan proverb they all laughed about. Rainfall makes no impression on the hard stone. One of them said, bodies do.
Bodies raining from the sky. Shit's the fucking apocalypse.
Right, full alert. We have credible intel. There's a threat to London airport.
관제 시스템에 대한 공격이 분명해집니다. 그리고 차량에서 탄피와 여러 가지 증거들이 나옵니다.
Anything there that can tell you where they are now?
Nah, nothing. CCTV at the entrance went down after they drove in.
그들의 정확한 계획을 알기 위해선 타라가 사용한 코드가 무엇인지를 알아야 합니다.
You know, you can work out what it did to run it again on the device it was used for.
Well, that was Ho's laptop. We have that.
Yeah, and Ho's almost as good as he thinks he is, so it'll take us a couple of hours to crack his password. Unless...
You're needed. And don't gloat.
Look who came crawling back to Papa.
한편 사무실로 돌아가는 리버에게 할아버지가 전화합니다.
I couldn't sleep and I turned the news on and I saw this business with Gimbal. What a shit. What an absolute shit.
카트는 뉴스를 보고 자신이 실행했던 불안정한 전략이 떠올랐습니다. 하지만
Is that human hair?
Right, in terms of criminal psychology, that is a red flag, right?
리버는 정신이 없었고
Blind your enemy.
No, it's honey. It's something with honey.
Yeah, honey trap. We've already done that one.
They do it again, you see. They do it again. It's like the bees.
귀찮은 듯 전화를 끊어버립니다.
Yeah, look, you should just try and get back to sleep, okay?
Yes, I will. Will I see you tomorrow? Yes, for lunch, for Sunday lunch?
Yeah. I'll try, but I'll probably still be busy with work.
No, you won't.
Yes, I fucking will.
꿀잼거리를 발견한 셜리와 코.
Carry on going through this.
Why?
So you can take the piss out of Ho.
램을 도와야 한다며 붙잡는 리버.
He told us to fuck off and injure ourselves.
So he says things like that all the time. He didn't mean it.
Yes, he did.
클로드는 코드를 조사하기 위해 다이애나가 자리를 비우자 타라를 밖으로 데리고 나옵니다.
How did you get them to open up this place?
I'm first desk.
Why are we here?
Well, I thought you could do with a bit of fresh air.
I'm cold. You're a kind man. Thank you.
Yeah, am I? Good.
그리고 계속 마음에 걸렸던 한 가지를 물어보죠.
Only I was thinking back about something you'd said earlier. Struck me as rather curious. You said, well, you said if I meet them again, they'll kill me. And, I was wondering how you'd meet them again.
I don't know. I meant if I run into them.
No, I don't think you did. Did you?
Yeah.
No. If that's what you meant, you'd have said, if they find me. But that's not what you said. You said, if I meet them again, as if it was a possibility. You have a way of contacting them, don't you?
당황하는 타라. 이것을 본 클로드는 죄책감으로 그녀를 사지로 몰아넣는데
I need to catch these men. Otherwise bodies are going to rain from the sky. Do you seriously want that on your conscience?
처음으로 정보국 국장다운 모습을 보입니다.
I'm supposed to meet them at midnight tonight. I don't know why. I just do what they tell me.
Where?
타라는 지하철에서 테러범을 만나는 방법을 자백합니다.
The first guy meets me at the first change, the second at the next change, and the third at the final change. Each one of them checks their own hotels, and no one's following me.
Now let's go.
클로드는 그녀가 테러범을 모두 만나면 우리가 붙잡겠다며 도와달라고 하는데 겁을 먹은 그녀는 현장으로 가는 것을 거부합니다.
No one has sent the team to arrest them. She can go and do
You
it.
said yourself they checked for tails and want to catch all three of these bastards. Listen to me. You are far stronger than you think. Yes, these are terrible men, and I understand. I see you're a vulnerable young woman. But you have reserves of strength you're not even aware of.
결국 클로드의 설득에 용기를 내는 타라.
Are you sure she can do this?
She has to.
소식을 들은 다이애나.
Putting Tara in the field is a mistake. She is not a trained agent.
Yes, well, she fooled her, didn't she?
Well, anyone can fool her.
클로드는 자신이 해결하겠다며 코드 조사에 집중하라고 말합니다. 지하철역에 도착합니다.
As soon as you go down the steps into that station, I move forward with the men from the car. We'll be one tube train behind. Meanwhile, a second team will track you above ground, and a third team will be in the sky.
If anything happens to me, please tell my parents I'm sorry and I love them, okay?
You can tell them yourself when this is done.
Please.
호는 코드를 실행할 준비를 합니다.
Why is this taking so long?
Isn't. I'm using the Hadron Collider to hack into your system quicker than any man alive.
Can't you do this?
This donkey, he couldn't even open my laptop.
괴상하긴 해도 확실히 능력은 있는 호. 그 능력이 괴상함보다 뛰어났기에 MI5가 될 수 있었겠죠.
Who's the serial killer? Is that a T-bone steak? You kept that from a meal with her. He kept everything. He's an even creepier fucker than we imagined.
더 놀라운 것들이 계속 나옵니다.
This is the good shit, though. Tea bag with date on it. This is from City Hall. So is this... She was at multiple events there.
잠깐, 뭔가 이상합니다. 호와 타라의 데이트 장소들이 모두 이번 테러와 연관이 있습니다.
Did you visit a zoo?
With who?
타라는 분명 협박을 받아 호를 만났다고 하는데
She's connected to every element of the destabilization strategy.
어떻게 공범도 아닌 그녀가 테러 장소를 미리 불색할 수 있었을까요?
Okay, code is running. Oh look, she copied a file.
What file?
Whose file? It was Whelan's.
Why do they copy Whelan's file?
갑자기 모든 것이 꼬이기 시작합니다.
No one told me about her, the way she lied. Well, no one told me about her, how many people cried. Well, it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way
Why she stopped moving? Is there a delay on the tracker?
Doesn't seem to be. Shall I send flight down?
No, not yet. They might have intercepted her early. We don't want to spook them.
클로드는 타라가 움직이지 않자 에마를 들여보내고 에마는 추적기가 들어있는 옷을 벗고 사라진 걸 확인합니다.
I don't understand. Why would she dump the coat?
지하철에 타지 않고 밖으로 나오는 타라. 그와 동시에 코드가 실행되며 MI5의 모든 시스템이 눈먼 상태가 됩니다.
Blind your enemy. Fuck my giddy aunt.
네, 타라는 공범이었습니다.
نجحت الخطة. ضلمنا على المكتب الأول. ضلمنا على باقي الحديقة. تو نمشي للخطوة الأخيرة.
Too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Let me tell you about the way she looks, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes are clear and bright, but she's not there.
잠시 뒤 MI5 시스템에 정체를 알 수 없는 카운터가 뜹니다.
Isn't there some kind of antivirus software that you can use, or maybe like a backdoor patch?
I don't think shouting out random words you find at the bottom of emails is going to help.
Thanks.
인내심의 한계가 온 클로드. 자신이 타라를 놓치는 실수를 했지만 확인되지 않는 코드를 실행시킨 건 다이애나입니다.
You should never have inputted that code she gave you.
You should never have let her leave the building.
Well, I was only trying to stop Libyan terrorists from rampaging through the fucking capital.
Wanted you to let her go.
What are you talking about? She was terrified. I had to convince her.
말문이 막히자 다이애나는 타라가 호의 노트북으로 데이터베이스에 접속해 클로드의 파일을 열어본 걸 말해줍니다.
When Ho allowed her to access the database, she stole your file, Claude. She played you. You've been profiled. You've been honey-trapped.
MI5 서열 인류이들이 문제를 해결하기보다 남탓만 하고 있습니다. 슬로우 호시스에는 램을 빼고는 모두가 사고만 치고 무능력하고 나사가 한두 개씩 빠져 있습니다.
Sir?
Yeah?
The Libyan ambassador's on line 1.
In his own time. Only meant to call fucking hours ago. Thank you.
리비아 대사와 통화를 하는데 놀랍게도 그는 타라에게 인질로 붙잡힌 상태였습니다.
Remember? You're right. I am stronger than I thought, with reserves of strength I was not even aware of.
Who the hell are you, really?
Someone who grew up in a country ruined by your arrogant intervention. You left us with years of horror.
Nothing can justify your slaughter of 11 people.
타라는 대사관 직원들을 옷장에 가둬두고 협상을 시도합니다.
100 million pounds.
Compensation for years of lost oil revenues to be paid into a Cayman Island trust called Albion Holdings, which is a fraction of what we are owed.
타라는 모니터에 떠있는 시간 안에 입금하라고 하는데 그 시간은 1시간도 안 됩니다.
They want 100 million before that countdown ends, or they will carry out the remaining action on their list.
What's the last action on the list?
Attack a place of worship.
방법이 없는 다이애나는 램에게 연락합니다.
We lost Tara. You knew she'd play Whelan, didn't you?
I had my suspicions, which were confirmed once I read his file. His psych profile screams daddy saviour complex. I'd have given you a call, but I thought you'd enjoy watching him make a complete and utter fucking tit of himself.
상황을 설명해주는 다이애나.
They've crashed our systems and given us an hour. Jen's at 10:06. Otherwise, they attack a place of worship.
Well, Sunday morning. They timed it well. I guess you're just going to have to pay the money.
맞습니다. 런던에는 교회만 2,000개고 다른 종교 시설까지 합치면 5천여 개가 넘습니다.
Yes, but Muslims don't worship on a Sunday. I'm right in thinking that, aren't I?
Well, I'm Sikh.
Well, let's assume it's churches, shall we?
막말로 대책을 세울 시간이 아니라 입금할 시간을 준 거죠.
And how are we going to get people to stay away from every London church in the next 40 minutes? It'll be absolute chaos.
Call in the men.
We don't have enough armed police.
Okay, then we call in the army.
In 40 minutes.
느린 말들은 램에게 상황을 듣고 무엇이 됐든 도와주자고 말합니다.
There's nothing to do. These guys are bloody good and they're fucking ruthless.
The park can't protect every church in London.
But then they will have to pay the money.
And what happens if they don't?
Well, then there'd be a massacre.
At a random church in London, this is a nightmare.
Maybe not that random. There is one place of worship I can think of. Well, although it would only occur to a complete and utter fucking psychopath.
You think he knows which one?
Wait, where are they going?
Abbotsfield.
Abbotsfield. There's already been an attack at Abbotsfield.
Which they are commemorating in a multi-faith centre shortly.
You can't just say shit like that and then just sit there and do nothing.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm sending my best agents. And you.
다이애나는 결국 테러범의 요구를 들어줍니다.
We will pay. But I want your word the attack will be called off.
And I want your word we'll be allowed to leave the country.
Cars will be arriving shortly, ready to take you to RAF Northolt. But safe passage is only guaranteed if you and all your team leave, to ensure there is no further violence. Do you agree to our terms?
I'll stand them down and they'll return to the embassy shortly.
Any more violence, and those men in the cars will not be taking you to the airport, they will be taking you down.
There'll be no more violence.
Transfer authorized.
입금을 확인합니다. 그리고 동료에게 연락하는 다라. 하지만
أرجعوا هنا للسفارة حيهربونا بالطيارة.
شكلك صدقتي روحك. انت مجندينك تجنيد. كش انت اللي تحت الأوامر.
شو تقول انت؟ خلاص طمنا.
بالنسبة لينا ما تم شيء.
اسمع. لو تزيد تدير أي شيء تاني حيهجموا على المبنى.
그들은 바라는 것이 서로 너무나 달랐습니다. 램은 타라가 있는 리비아 대사관으로 향합니다.
If you were coming out of that building, trying to lose the dogs, which direction would you head?
Do you think Tara's going to try and escape?
Answer the question.
Left down that alley.
그리고 타라는 궁지에 몰린 쥐라며 캐서린의 동정심을 자극합니다.
Well, she's just a kid. There's no way she's running the show.
Yes, her men should have been back here by now.
I don't think they're coming back. I think she's sitting in there, realising she never was in control of a band of psychos.
But you said we're paying the money.
Look at what these guys have got up to in the last couple of days, and I don't think money is gonna quell their rage.
개들이 문을 박차고 들어가면 살해될 것이 뻔히 보이는 타라.
Knock on the door.
타라를 도울 방법을 알려주는 램.
Well, what am I doing after I knock on the door?
Telling her to follow you, unless she wants to get shot in the head. They're not going to shoot her out here, unarmed in the street. It's a different story if they go in the building.
평범해 보이는 캐서린은 접근할 수 있을 거라며 등을 떠밀죠.
That's it. They won't look twice at a harmless little old lady.
대사관에 다가갑니다.
Mom, you're not allowed to be here.
Who are you? Yes, MI5, let me in.
Step back from the building, please.
Let me in nicely, or men with guns are coming in.
Okay, Mom, I'm gonna have to remove you.
So, how exactly can you help?
당황한 캐서린은 아무 말도 못하고 궁지에 몰린 타라는 캐서린을 인질로 잡습니다.
Update your hostage list. Someone else just walked in.
Back off! No? You could have just walked out with me.
And what? Back into the park, huh? Why would I want that?
Put the gun down!
I told you to back off!
그리고 캐서린이 말한 골목에서 그대로 도망치는 타라.
Deja vu. Come on, hands up. Up, on your head. Oh, come on, cheer up. I'd take prison any day over dating Roddy home.
Fuck you!
한편 에버치필드 추모 교회에서는 제프리가 연설을 하고 있습니다.
William Blake wrote those words of promise over 200 years ago, but they continue to inspire and comfort today. But for more contemporary wisdom that might give solace to our younger mourners, I reach for the words of Dominic Toretto in Furious 7. They say to live in the hearts of those we leave behind is not to die. The lesson I take from both those sages, separated though they are by centuries, is that while London might not be Londonful today, it will be Londonful tomorrow. If we channel...
Okay, right. Everyone, we need you to leave this building as quickly as possible, please.
What's going on?
Sorry, we're MI5. I don't know how... Can you show them the badge?
Yeah, maybe we should start by taking them aside.
Everyone, intelligence has come to light. That means it's best for you to leave right now. So please do so from the back of the building.
No need to panic, everyone. Just slowly, safely.
Everyone now, please, come on. I mean it now, get out. Everyone, come on now, please.
What the fuck happened to Carly?
테러범이 들어옵니다.
Look, it really is not the time to argue about protocol.
Get Whelan on the line.
Seriously, I need him to leave now.
نقدروا نضربوهم من برا.
العميد قاعد هنا. قتلتها فلتت مني المرة اللي فاتت. خلينا نصفوه قبل.
باهي.
انت ارمي على الحارس ولا هي.
제프리는 리버의 정보가 맞는지 클로드에게 전화해 확인하지만 그가 이 복잡한 판이 돌아가는 걸 이해할 리가 없겠죠.
We had no intelligence either way that you were specifically under threat. Of course, if we hadn't received that information, then we would have intervened.
Hang on, you did intervene. I'm stood in front of a load of your agents.
Would you mind putting Cartwright on for me, please?
Wants to speak to you.
Sir?
What the fuck are you doing?
We thought the attack was going to be at Abbotsfield.
Yeah, well, we paid them the money. There's not going to be an attack anywhere, certainly not Abbotsfield.
One of those.
You had the better angle. You okay?
How many have you got left?
Enough!
Give me what he wants. For fuck's sake, just give me what he wants.
I want to get out of the country. The deal still stands. With MI5, safe passage.
Oh, you're kidding, right? You're not getting safe passage. You broke that deal when you opened fire.
Don't say that to him.
Well, I'm not going to lie.
I'd really rather you lied.
Let me out of here, or I shoot you now.
No, not happening.
Yes, otherwise he'll shoot him. Yeah. Do not aim for his neck with a stammer, you shit shot.
테러범을 앞에 두고 티격태격 말싸움하는 사이 고가 접근합니다.
Where did you come from?
I approached him very, very quietly.
You two staged your argument to give him cover. I get that now.
Yeah.
테러를 막아내고 타라도 잡고 위기는 지나갔지만 정부국이 싼 똥은 여전히 냄새가 남아있죠.
We pay up in the attack anyway. What a shit show.
You didn't have a choice. When they pick over the bones of this, you'll be exonerated, Mum.
London rules will kick in.
London rules?
If you were service, you'd know that. Moscow rules, watch your back. London rules, cover your ass.
리버는 오랜만에 할아버지를 찾아갑니다.
I'm sorry about that phone call last night. I don't think I was making much sense.
치매에 걸려 오락가락 하시지만 가끔 보이는 패턴들을 보고 정보를 분석하는 건 램 못지않게 정확합니다.
It looks like absolute chaos, but if you follow them, you can see there's a method.
Yeah.
I like to follow them individually.
Libyans?
What? Bees! Buzzy, buzzy bees!
Bees.
Strong work ethic, bees. Sting in the tail.
문제는 그 분석이 치매로 인해 알아듣기 힘들게 말한다는 거죠.
The unwritten rule.
What's that?
Destabilization. Yes, you see, if ever we were dealing with some really tricky buggers, we'd hit them when they thought it was over. That's what we call a sting in the tail. Let them know who's boss.
Yeah. Well, that's why they attacked anyway.
할아버지의 말을 듣다 뭔가 떠오른 리버. 램에게 전화합니다.
Shirley has a picture of 3 pairs of boots in the back of that van, but that's 4 men, including the driver, right? You and Shirley got one of them after Roddy's, and we got 2 of them at Abbotsfield. So that means there's 1 left.
마지막 남은 테러범이 있다는 게 확실해지자 램은 그들의 목표가 리비아는 투자 가치가 없다는 보고서를 낸 클로드가 분명하다고 말합니다.
I'll be there when you call.
세상 모르고 취미를 즐기는 클로드. 하지만
Jim. Oh, fuck.
자신을 향한 위험은 감지할 수 있죠.
Sorry, Jim. Where are the keys? Where are the fucking keys?
This is Claude Whelan. Who? First desk. I'm the first.
Throw it!
This, you moron.
Do you know who I am?
No.
I am someone who suffered because of a keystroke you made.
네, 그들은 리비아가 이렇게 된 책임을 클로드에게 지게 하려고 합니다.
Your opinion as a long-term forecaster was that an investment in Libya was poor value. Because whether it stood or fell, it did not affect the security of the United Kingdom. Your opinion became policy. How's that opinion looking now?
Not great.
위기에 처한 클로드.
Please. Just think of my wife, please.
I am. She can feel what I did. At least I have a body to bury. We never found my father.
Sorry about that. It's very threatening.
Is he dead?
Yes, I can do my job.
Thank fuck for that.
A good job. How'd you find me?
I went to your house, and your wife said you'd be running around here.
클로드는 목숨을 구해준 리버에게 감사해야 합니다. 그래서 특별히 시간을 내 램을 찾아옵니다.
He's waiting in your office.
That's why I'm in here.
His first desk, Lam. And this is a big win for Slough House. You want to piss him off and throw that away?
한눈에 상황이 보이는 램.
You think you're going back to the park, don't you? Oh, bless.
You don't want me here and I don't want to be here. Suits us both.
You can leave any time you want. That's the whole point of Slough House. Not sure how you missed that.
I'm not leaving the service. But I shouldn't be in Slough House. Because I'm really fucking good. And you know that.
You know, it's not the hope that kills you, Cartwright. It's knowing it's the hope that kills you. That kills you. Pepe, here, get this.
클로드를 만납니다.
You enjoying this, are you?
No, not particularly. Oh, but go on, do your bit. I imagine you worked it all out. You practice in front of the mirror. Do you find it hard to look yourself in the eye?
Excuse, do you mind? Could you not do that here, please? This is MI5 property after all.
Fuck MI5, my gaff, my rules.
Yeah, about that. Not anymore, I'm afraid.
클로드는 이번 테러에서 타라를 놓친 것과 모든 실수를 슬라우 하우스의 탓으로 돌리고 조직을 해체시키려고 합니다.
You blame it all on Slough House. And you get to keep your job. Yeah?
Checkmate. Mate.
Yeah, but it looks like I'm fucked.
You know, I don't like to use that word, but yes, you're fucked. You're all totally fucked. Fucked. Apart from Cartwright. Because he shows some promise, I feel, and deserves a second chance.
He'll only balls it up.
Right, well, I'll see myself out, shall I?
그때 김벌의 녹음기를 꺼내는 램. 여기엔 클로드의 수치스러운 내용이 들어있었죠.
I'm sorry, what was that?
What was what?
I overheard,
Oh, that. Yeah, that was you threatening a political figure hours before he was killed. I'll play you the other bits if you like. Where his wife talks about your sugar daddy behaviour and you blackmail him about his Turkish dad.
You know what? I was probably a tad premature, wasn't I? When I said checkmate, it was more like check, wasn't it? You know, so I do a move and you do. What do you want?
I want what I always want. To be left in utter fucking peace.
램은 슬라우 하우스를 건드리지 않고 호도 복귀시키는 걸 조건으로 요구합니다.
Man's an utter fucking liability. Absolutely not.
Who comes back? Is the only one who can manage my Deliveroo account.
So then, who do you propose that we hang this on?
Well, we pin it on the fucking chump who deserves to go. You.
Me? No. No, wait, no. No. I'm not going anywhere.
But you still paid a call girl, who, incidentally, you were also boffing.
If you're not out of your office within the hour, I'm going to send this to every grubby little hack I know from my drinking days.
That's going to do untold damage towards the service, and you know that.
Like I give a fuck. Look what the service has done to me. Yeah, leave the door open on your way out. I like a through draft.
I'm sure we'll meet again.
I doubt that. I don't use prostitutes.
She wasn't a prostitute. She wasn't. Oh, fuck. I don't know where everybody gets this from. She was an escort.
램이 원하는 대로 이루어집니다. 하지만 시즌 1에서 자신의 실수를 리버에게 돌렸던 다이애나는 그의 복귀를 반대합니다.
Roddy Ho is on his way back to you. I am not taking Cartwright.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm a little short on numbers anyway.
이것도 램의 말대로 됩니다. 과연 그가 예상하지 못하는 것은 있는 걸까요?
Well, nice as it is to chat, I'm in the middle of moving offices. So.
Well, I hope that now your first desk, you won't forget the little people. Doors always open for a coffee and a catch-up.
상처투성이인 램의 발바닥. 네, 작전 지시처럼 말했던 베를린 이야기. 임신한 애인이 고문을 당해도 동료를 풀지 않았던 유언은 바로 램이었습니다.